Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check a video that you liked on YouTube. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to YouTube. After that go to our account. Here click near playlist view all, and here you can see liked videos. And that's all. Here you can find and check liked videos on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and write good comments. Bye bye everyone, have a nice day. Bye bye.